The human brain is a marvel of evolution, a complex organ responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's also incredibly demanding. While it makes up only 2% of our body weight, it consumes a whopping 20% of our daily energy. What we choose to eat directly affects this powerhouse, influencing everything from our focus and memory to our mood and long-term brain health. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, our brains thrive on a steady supply of nutrients from the food we eat. When we make poor food choices, our brains simply can't function at their best. We might experience brain fog, low energy, or difficulty concentrating. On the other hand, when we nourish our brains with the right foods, we provide them with the building blocks they need to operate at peak performance. This translates into improved cognitive function, better emotional regulation, and even protection against age-related decline. In essence, the food on our plates has the power to shape our minds. By understanding this intricate connection, we can make conscious decisions to fuel our brains for optimal health and well-being. Our brains run primarily on glucose, a type of sugar that comes from the carbohydrates we consume. When we eat carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, which then enters the bloodstream and travels to the brain to provide energy. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal. While whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide a slow and steady release of glucose, refined sugars found in processed foods and sugary drinks cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. These dramatic fluctuations can leave us feeling energized one minute and then sluggish and irritable the next. They can also interfere with cognitive function, impairing our ability to focus and think clearly. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple sugars is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and providing our brains with a consistent energy supply. This, in turn, supports optimal brain function throughout the day. Beyond simply providing energy, certain nutrients directly impact our brain chemistry and influence our mood. For example, the amino acid tryptophan, found in foods like turkey, chicken, and bananas, is a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are also essential for brain health. These healthy fats make up a significant portion of our brain cell membranes and are involved in communication between brain cells. Magnesium, a mineral found in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, plays a crucial role in nerve function and muscle relaxation. Studies suggest that magnesium may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. By incorporating these mood-boosting foods into our diets, we can support the production and regulation of key neurotransmitters, promoting a more balanced and positive emotional state. Section 4. The gut-brain connection, a two-way street. In recent years, scientists have uncovered a fascinating link between our gut and our brain, known as the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional communication highway allows our gut microbiota, the trillions of bacteria residing in our intestines, to influence our brain function, and vice versa. Our gut bacteria play a crucial role in digesting food, producing vitamins, and supporting our immune system. However, research suggests they also produce neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which play vital roles in mood, motivation, and sleep. Factors that disrupt the balance of our gut microbiota, such as a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, can negatively impact our brain health, potentially contributing to mood disorders, cognitive decline, and even neurodegenerative diseases. On the other hand, a diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics can foster a healthy and diverse gut microbiome, supporting optimal brain function and overall well-being. Section 5. Investing in long-term brain health. The food choices we make today have a profound impact on our brain health, not just in the present moment, but also as we age. A diet consistently high in processed foods, saturated in trans fats, and added sugars can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are implicated in cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides our brains with the antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients they need to thrive throughout life. Here are some practical tips to support your brain health through diet. Prioritize whole foods. Opt for fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats over processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Limit caffeine and alcohol. While moderate consumption may not be harmful, excessive intake can interfere with sleep and cognitive function. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and brain health, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on brain health, so find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. By making conscious food choices and adopting a holistic approach to brain health, we can empower ourselves to think clearly, feel our best, and maintain cognitive vitality for years to come. Remember, our brains are worth protecting, and it all starts with what we put on our plates. Feed your brain, fuel your mind, subscribe for smarter choices one bite at a time.